Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor classes, and in our this particular video we'll be learning some important concepts related to image handling in Python. Okay, so in my previous videos I have given you fundamental idea of image handling, that is how to read image, how to show image, how to rotate image, how to crop a particular part, right? All these things I have discussed. Now we'll be going a little bit deeper for computer vision. Okay, so computer vision majorly deals with images and videos, and for going to that subject and for making good projects in this domain, you need to know some fundamentals concepts of image processing. Like, you might know that image consists of red, green and blue channels. Okay, these three different channels form a colored image altogether. So suppose you require to extract a particular channel, that is red or maybe green or maybe blue. How you can do that? All these things I am going to discuss. Okay. One more concept is very important. We have used Python imaging library for dealing with image related files, but it will be always better that if we consider this image as array, because image are nothing but array only. Three different array: red array for red channel, one array for green channel, one array for blue channel, one array. These three different two-dimensional array, or better in better way we can say matrix, superimpose on each other and form a colored image. So we will be extracting one by one all of them. So this particular image is stored in my desktop. If we go to properties, here we will be getting the location, and this is JPEG file with the name golden. So first of all, we will be reading the image as we have studied earlier, that is from PIL import image. Okay, I'll run this. Then we'll be importing numpy and matplotlib for plotting purpose. Okay, numpy why we have taken or why we have imported, because I have told you image are nothing but array, 3D array, we can say three-dimensional array. So any array related operation, how we do using numpy, right? Using np.array we can convert list tuple to array and then we work. So import numpy as np and import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Using matplotlib also we can show the image that I will be discussing in my this video. First step, I am reading the image. Okay, as I have discussed earlier, image.open from PIL we can use, and first give the complete file location and then the file name. Alright, so I'll run this, and then instead of img.show, see what is the difference. If you write img.show here, like this file will be opened. But suppose you want to show in the Jupyter notebook itself, you just simply write img and run your code. You will be getting the image in the Jupyter notebook itself, right? So this is another way of showing the image. And if you write type image, okay, you will be getting, this is nothing but one JPEG image file. Now we need to convert this to array. So what we will be writing? ws, one variable we are defining, equal to np.array img. Okay, so what we are doing basically here, we are converting our image to array. Okay, and then suppose I am writing type of ws. All right, you will be getting numpy dot nd array. This is n dimensional array where n is 3. So this is nothing but 3-dimensional array, right? So this is about fundamental information about image. Now carefully observe what I am doing. See, as I have told you, there are three major channels: red channel, green channel, blue channel. Red channel with index 0, green channel with index 1 and blue channel with index 2. Remember this. Now these are, each channel is on matrix. So it has some number of rows, it has some number of columns. Now suppose you want to extract the red channel, then I have told you for red index is 0 and all the elements of that red channel matrix you have to extract. So how we can show that? Very simple. ws, which is our image array, and then inside square bracket colon comma, that is matrix, all the elements we are taking and of red channel, so that index is 0. And to show that this is one array, right? So plt.in show we can use from matplotlib visualization, image visualization function. Okay, if we run, see, we will be getting the red channel only, right? suppose you want to extract the green channel only, you write 1. So W colon comma 1. If you run, you will be getting only green channel. If you write 2, you will be getting blue channel. Okay, like this you can do. Now, this red, green, blue, these intensity levels are basically varying from 0 to 255. 0 means minimum, completely dark, black color, and 255 means bright, that is completely white color. Okay, so with this concept, we will be observing practically now. So what we will be doing, we will be basically deleting one by one channels and we will be checking what is our final output. So if we channel red channel, green channel as well as blue channel, then that is if we make all the elements as 0, that means obviously at the end we should get one black image, right? Because I have told you all 0 means black, right? All right. So let us do that. How we can remove one particular red channel? Suppose very simple, colon comma 0, which is red channel, I will be making that 0. Okay, and if I want to show, I will be just simply copying from here and pasting here plt.imshow and ws, the original image I want to show. If we run, see, this is after removing the red channel, right? I hope you can understand the difference in between original image, that is this one, and this one. Then next case, we are deleting the green channel also. Now for the time being in our image, green channel and blue channel present, I am making ws of colon comma 1 equal to 0. That means I am removing the green channel also. So I will be getting only blue channel, which will be having this kind of blue color image. And now I am removing the blue channel also. As expected, we are getting completely black color, right? You can do some other testing. What we can do, suppose let me read the image once more, and I am executing all these required things once more. So now ws equal to np dot array img. So this is our original image contents. Type of ws equal to numpy dot n dimensional array. If you simply do plot dot imshow, you will be getting original image, right? Now in this image, what we'll be doing, we'll be making all the index elements as 255. Okay, so what we'll be doing, w of colon comma 0 equal to 255. Okay, so I am making all the red channel values 255. I will be getting like this red. You can understand that the red channel is dominating. Then making the green also as maximum, that is all 255. And the last case, when I will be making blue also 255, then I will be getting the white color, because I have told you all white means nothing but that is all 255 means white, right? So this is what about some extraction of different channels and how to convert image to array and how to use matplotlib in image. I hope these concepts are clear to you. This is all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel if you have not subscribed till now, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you.